Nature has always held surprises in its vast flora and fauna, and this holds true for the world of fruits and vegetables. The remarkable feats of gardening expertise combined with the wonders of botany have given birth to extraordinary size and weights in the plant kingdom. This video provides a fascinating insight into some of the largest fruits and vegetables ever created, starting with the Atlantic giant pumpkin. Number 1. Pumpkin, Atlantic giant. The Atlantic giant pumpkin takes the crown for the world's largest fruit. This behemoth of the squash family is renowned for producing gigantic pumpkins that can weigh in excess of 2,000 pounds, a size that seems to defy nature. The current world record, set in 2020, belongs to a pumpkin grown by Belgian Matthias Willemijns, weighing an astonishing 2,624.6 pounds. The secret to the Atlantic giant's size lies in its genetic makeup, which promotes rapid, voluminous growth. The growing process for these pumpkins is rigorous and demands careful, meticulous attention from growers. Despite their intimidating size, these pumpkins share the same bright orange exterior and ribbed skin that are characteristic of typical pumpkins. Atlantic giants require a carefully managed growing environment. Cultivators must provide them with ample space, sunlight, water, and nutrients. The soil must be kept at an optimum temperature and pH level, and pests must be carefully managed. Growers often shelter their pumpkins, protect them from extreme weather, and even provide them with heating pads and blankets for cooler nights. The life cycle of an Atlantic giant pumpkin is also noteworthy. Seeds are usually sown indoors in early spring, and the seedlings are transferred outside after the last frost. The pumpkins grow rapidly throughout the summer and are generally harvested in the fall after approximately 130 days of growth. The cultivation of Atlantic giant pumpkins has become a popular hobby, with growers worldwide competing in annual weigh-off competitions. Besides the size, these pumpkins are also appreciated for their unique, slightly sweet flavor, making them a desirable ingredient in numerous dishes and baked goods. Although their size is their most distinctive trait, the Atlantic giant pumpkin is a testament to the wonders of nature and the determined spirit of growers worldwide. Number 2. Squash, Atlantic giant. Sharing a name with its cousin, the Atlantic giant pumpkin, the Atlantic giant squash also boasts impressive size. These enormous squashes can reach incredible weights, with the largest ever recorded weighing in at 21.18 pounds. The colossal specimen was grown by Joe Jutras, a renowned gardener known for breaking records in giant vegetable growing. Atlantic giant squashes are characterized by their large, elongated shape and smooth, pale yellow skin. Inside, their flesh is bright orange and has a mild, sweet flavor that makes them popular for cooking. They are often used in soups, pies, and roasts, especially in fall and winter. Growing an Atlantic giant squash requires skill, patience, and a lot of time. They need a lot of sun, water, and nutrients. Their seeds are usually sown in late spring, and it takes about 120 to 140 days for them to reach their maximum size. During their growing period, they must be protected from pests and diseases. A healthy vine can produce several fruits, but usually only one is allowed to develop to ensure that all the plant's energy goes into growing a single gigantic squash. Giant squash growing has become a competitive sport, with annual competitions held to see who can grow the biggest Atlantic giant squash. This has fostered a sense of community among growers who share tips and strategies on how to cultivate these gargantuan vegetables. The Atlantic giant squash not only represents a fun gardening challenge, but also a symbol of the immense potential that lies within a humble seed. Number 3. Watermelon, Carolina Cross. Among the many varieties of watermelons, the Carolina Cross stands out as the heavyweight champion. The record for the largest Carolina Cross, grown by Chris Kent of Tennessee, stands at a staggering 350.5 pounds. This feat earned him a spot in the Guinness World Records in 2013. This breed of watermelon is characterized by its oblong shape and distinct light green striped pattern on its rind. The Carolina Cross has sweet, vibrant red flesh that's packed with refreshing flavor, making it a delightful treat in hot weather. Like other giants of the fruit and vegetable world, growing a Carolina Cross requires meticulous care. They need a lot of space, as their vines can spread up to 12 feet. Providing them with adequate water and nutrients, along with monitoring for pests and diseases, is crucial to achieving their potential size. Typically, the seeds are planted in late spring, and the fruits are harvested about 85 days later. The joy of growing these massive watermelons goes beyond their size and taste. There's a sense of achievement in growing such an enormous fruit, and there are numerous competitions held each year to celebrate these horticultural victories. Through hard work and dedication, the Carolina Cross watermelon showcases the remarkable possibilities of agricultural science and gardening skill. Number 4. Marrow, zucchini. Marrow is a variety of summer squash that's highly appreciated in the United Kingdom. It can attain an astonishing size, making it one of the world's largest vegetables. The most impressive example is a marrow grown by Ken Dade from Norfolk, UK, which broke the world record in 2008 when it reached a weight of 143 pounds. Commonly called courgette or zucchini in other parts of the world, marrow is cylindrical and typically has a green skin. Inside, the flesh is white and tender with a mild flavor. Marrows are used in various culinary applications, including baking, grilling, and stuffing. The secret to growing giant marrow lies in careful cultivation. They require rich, fertile soil, plenty of sunlight, and regular watering. Growers usually plant the seeds in late spring and harvest in late summer when the skin of the fruit is hard and glossy. It's essential to monitor the plant for pests and diseases, since these can hinder growth. Growing a giant marrow is a satisfying challenge for many gardeners. In England, marrow growing competitions are a popular tradition, often seen at local horticultural shows. The practice requires significant skill and dedication, but the result is a remarkable display of nature's capacity for growth. Through these competitions, a sense of community and camaraderie is formed, uniting individuals with a shared passion for giant vegetables. Number 5. Pineapple, giant pineapple. While the usual pineapple is already a large fruit, the giant pineapple takes it to another level. The world's largest pineapple was recorded in 2011 in Australia, with a height of 32 cm and a weight of 18.25 pounds, dwarfing regular pineapples. The giant pineapple has a rough, green to golden brown skin with a crown of spiked leaves. The inside reveals juicy, bright yellow flesh that is sweet and slightly tart. Despite its size, the giant pineapple maintains the same flavor profile as regular pineapples. To cultivate a giant pineapple, growers must provide a tropical or subtropical climate with well-drained soil. They also need regular watering and plenty of sunlight. The fruit is typically harvested about 24 months after planting, a lengthy process reflecting the fruit's substantial size. The production of giant pineapples showcases the diversity of nature and the potential for extraordinary growth under optimal conditions. These pineapples are more than just fruits. They are symbols of the wonders of nature, serving as reminders of what can be achieved with patience, care, and dedication. Number 6. Cabbage, giant cabbage. Among the colossal contenders in the vegetable world is the giant cabbage. These massive vegetables can reach an incredible size, with the world record holder weighing in at 138.25 pounds. This record was set by Scott Robb in Alaska during the 2012 Alaska State Fair. Giant cabbages resemble their smaller counterparts in shape and color, but grow to an enormous size, with wide, dense leaves that wrap tightly around a compact head. Their taste is similar to regular cabbages, making them suitable for a wide variety of culinary uses. Growing giant cabbages requires a long growing season, typically around 120 days. These plants need rich, well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight and water. Growers must monitor their plants carefully for pests and diseases, which can quickly devastate a cabbage crop. Because of their size, these cabbages require a lot of nutrients, which is often supplied in the form of compost or manure. The cultivation of giant cabbages has become a popular pastime in places like Alaska, where long summer days provide ideal growing conditions. Competitions are held annually, with growers taking pride in producing the largest cabbages. These events are a testament to the remarkable capacity of nature to produce such large vegetables, as well as the dedication of the growers who cultivate them. Number 7. Onion, Kelsey. Kelsey onions hold a special place in the realm of large vegetables. Originating in Scotland, this variety is renowned for its size and flavor. The largest ever Kelsey onion, grown by Peter Glazebrook, weighed in at 17 pounds 15.5 ounces and was recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records in 2012. These massive onions have a globe-like shape and a light golden skin. Despite their size, Kelsey onions retain a sweet, mild flavor that makes them popular for cooking. Cultivating these giant onions requires a cool climate and a long growing season. They prefer rich, well-drained soil and require plenty of water and sunlight. Careful attention must be given to prevent pests and diseases, as these can hinder the onion's growth. Growing Kelsey onions to such massive sizes is a labor of love for many gardeners. There are competitions across the UK where growers vie to produce the largest onion. The cultivation of Kelsey onions represents the remarkable potential of a small seed and the wonders of dedicated cultivation, highlighting the incredible adaptability and diversity of nature. Number 8. Tomato. Delicious. When we think of tomatoes, we imagine small, round, red fruits. However, the delicious variety defies this notion with its gargantuan size. The largest tomato ever grown was a delicious that weighed 8.61 pounds, grown by Dan Sutherland of Walla Walla, Washington in 2016. The delicious tomato is characterized by its bright red color and slightly ribbed surface. Despite their size, they maintain the same sweet, slightly acidic flavor that tomatoes are known for, making them perfect for a variety of culinary applications, from salads to sauces. Growing a giant delicious tomato requires a lot of care and attention. These plants need plenty of sunlight and a good amount of water, especially during the fruiting period. They also need nutrient-rich soil and regular feeding to ensure maximum growth. In addition, they must be protected from pests and diseases, which can stunt growth and affect fruit production. Growing giant delicious tomatoes has become a competitive sport, with annual competitions held to see who can grow the largest tomato. This encourages a sense of community among growers, who share tips and strategies on growing these colossal fruits. The delicious tomato represents the immense potential of nature and the remarkable results that can be achieved through careful cultivation. Number 9. Carrot. Danvers half-long. Among the most giant vegetables is the Danvers half-long carrot. These carrots can reach remarkable lengths and sizes, with the largest one on record weighing 22.44 pounds. This hefty carrot was grown by Christopher Qualley in Otsego, Minnesota, in 2017. The Danvers half-long carrots are characterized by their long, conical shape and bright orange color. Despite their size, they retain the same crisp texture and sweet, slightly earthy flavor that carrots are known for, making them a favorite in various culinary applications. Growing giant Danvers half-long carrots requires a lot of patience and skill. They prefer sandy, well-drained soil and need plenty of sunlight and water. The seeds are typically sown in early spring, and the carrots are harvested in late summer or early fall. During their growth period, they must be monitored for pests and diseases that can hinder growth. The cultivation of giant carrots, like the Danvers half-long, represents a significant achievement in horticulture. It illustrates the amazing potential that lies within a tiny seed and serves as a testament to the skill and dedication required to grow such enormous vegetables. These giant carrots are more than just vegetables. They are symbols of the incredible diversity and adaptability of nature. Number 10. Beetroot. Detroit Dark Red. The Detroit Dark Red beetroot stands out as a colossal variety among its beetroot counterparts. The largest beetroot ever recorded, grown by Ian Neal from the UK, weighed a staggering 51.1 pounds in 2014. This variety of beetroot, despite its size, retains the classic deep red-purple color and rounded shape of regular beets. Inside, the flesh is firm and richly colored, with a sweet, earthy flavor that's highly appreciated in various cuisines. Cultivating Detroit dark red beetroots to such sizes requires an optimum growing environment. These beets prefer cooler temperatures, rich and well-drained soil, and regular watering. The seeds are typically sown in early spring, and the beetroots are harvested when they reach their desired size. Careful attention must be given to avoid pests and diseases, which can affect the beets' growth. Growing giant beetroots has become a popular hobby among gardeners. There's a sense of achievement and pride associated with growing such a large vegetable. Furthermore, beetroot growing competitions are held annually, where gardeners showcase their enormous beets. The Detroit dark red beetroot represents the remarkable potential of nature and the extraordinary results achievable through dedicated cultivation. Number 11. Potato blossom. The potato, a staple food for many, can grow remarkably large under ideal conditions. The blossom variety of potato holds the world record for the heaviest, weighing in at 10.14 pounds. This giant potato was grown by Peter Glazebrook from the UK in 2010. The blossom potato, like other potato varieties, has a round to oblong shape with a light brown skin and starchy white flesh. Despite its large size, it retains the same earthy flavor and fluffy texture typical of potatoes, making it an excellent choice for a variety of dishes. Growing a blossom potato of record-breaking size requires specific conditions. These potatoes prefer rich, well-drained soil, plenty of sunlight, and consistent watering. Regular feeding with a balanced fertilizer can also promote growth. Careful attention must be paid to protect the plants from pests and diseases, which can hinder growth. The cultivation of giant potatoes like the blossom variety is a testament to the wonders of nature and the dedication of growers. These potatoes are not just food, but also symbols of the potential for extraordinary growth under the right conditions. The sense of achievement and pride associated with growing such large potatoes is shared among a community of gardeners dedicated to these extraordinary feats. Number 12. Broccoli, Calabrese. Calabrese broccoli stands out as a large variety among the broccoli family. The largest broccoli ever recorded was a Calabrese variety that weighed 35 pounds. This colossal broccoli was grown by John and Mary Evans in Alaska in 1993. The Calabrese broccoli variety, even at such a large size, maintains the classic dark green color and tightly packed, tree-like structure that characterizes broccoli. Its taste is the same as regular broccoli, slightly bitter with a hint of sweetness. Growing Calabrese broccoli of such enormous size requires the right conditions. These plants prefer cooler weather, nutrient-rich soil, and consistent watering. The seeds are typically sown in late spring, and the broccoli heads are harvested in the fall. It's crucial to protect the plants from pests and diseases, which can impact their growth and development. The practice of growing giant broccoli has become a popular challenge for many gardeners. Competitions are held each year where growers present their largest broccoli heads. This practice showcases the incredible potential of a tiny seed and the extraordinary results that can be achieved with care and dedication. Number 13. Cucumber, Armenian. The Armenian cucumber is a unique variety that can grow to a remarkable size. The largest recorded Armenian cucumber weighed in at 18.9 pounds, grown by David Thomas from the UK in 2015. Armenian cucumbers are characterized by their long, slender shape and light green, ridged skin. Despite their large size, they maintain the same mildly sweet flavor and refreshing crunch that cucumbers are known for, making them ideal for salads and pickling. Growing Armenian cucumbers to such lengths requires an optimum growing environment. These cucumbers prefer warm temperatures, well-drained soil, and a consistent supply of water. The seeds are usually sown in late spring, and the cucumbers are harvested in the summer. Regular monitoring is needed to protect the plants from pests and diseases, which can affect growth. Growing giant Armenian cucumbers is a challenge that many gardeners undertake with enthusiasm. The accomplishment of growing such large cucumbers is celebrated in annual competitions, fostering a sense of community among growers. These enormous cucumbers symbolize the remarkable potential of nature and the incredible results that can be achieved through dedicated cultivation. Number 14. Cauliflower, Snowball Y. When it comes to colossal vegetables, the Snowball Y cauliflower stands as an impressive contender. Known for its potential to reach astonishing sizes, the Snowball Y has captivated growers and enthusiasts alike. The largest Snowball Y cauliflower ever recorded measured an astounding 6 feet in diameter. This remarkable achievement was accomplished by Peter Glazebrook, a renowned horticulturalist from the UK, in 2014. The Snowball Y cauliflower, despite its massive size, retains the classic attributes that define cauliflower. Its iconic white, compact head consists of tightly clustered florets, creating an eye-catching display of nature's wonders. The taste of the Snowball Y cauliflower remains unchanged, offering a mild, slightly sweet flavor with a hint of nuttiness. Cultivating a Snowball Y cauliflower to such grand proportions requires the right combination of conditions and care. These cauliflower plants thrive in cooler temperatures and require fertile, well-drained soil along with consistent watering. Growers usually sow the seeds in early spring, allowing the cauliflower heads to develop fully throughout the growing season. It is crucial to monitor the plants closely to protect them from potential pests and diseases that can hinder growth and development. The cultivation of giant snowball Y cauliflowers has become a fascinating and rewarding pursuit for horticulture enthusiasts. Competitions are held where growers showcase their magnificent cauliflowers, fostering a sense of community and camaraderie among participants. These colossal cauliflowers serve as tangible testaments to the remarkable potential of nature and the extraordinary results achieved through meticulous cultivation. Beyond their enormous size, snowball Y cauliflowers represent the artistry and dedication of growers who push the boundaries of what is possible. These impressive vegetables are more than just an agricultural marvel. They embody the pursuit of excellence and the innate fascination humans have with nature's creations. The snowball Y cauliflower reminds us of the boundless wonders that lie within the realm of horticulture. It serves as a symbol of the extraordinary potential that can be unlocked through careful cultivation, fostering a sense of awe and inspiration. With every impressive snowball Y cauliflower, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities found within the natural world and the incredible achievements that can be realized through passionate and skilled gardening. Number 15. Apple, Hokuto. Among the many varieties of apples, the Hokuto stands out as a heavyweight contender. This hybrid apple, a cross between the Fuji and Mutsu varieties, has the potential to grow to impressive sizes. The largest recorded Hokuto apple weighed a remarkable 4.49 pounds, setting a record in 2005. This enormous apple was grown by Chisato Iwasaki at his apple farm in Hirosaki City, Japan. The Hokuto apple showcases a round shape and a vibrant red color that entices the eye. Its exceptionally crisp and juicy flesh provides a delightful eating experience. Despite its immense size, the Hokuto apple retains the same sweet flavor with a subtle tartness, making it a versatile choice for both fresh consumption and baking applications. Cultivating a Hokuto apple of such remarkable size requires an optimal growing environment. These apple trees thrive in well-drained soil, abundant sunlight, and regular watering. Growers must diligently protect the trees from pests and diseases that can hamper fruit production and overall growth. The cultivation of giant Hokuto apples is not only an impressive achievement, but also a celebration of the wonders of nature. It serves as a testament to the remarkable potential for extraordinary growth found within the humble seed. Growing such large apples requires dedication, patience, and expertise in orchard management. The Hokuto apple, beyond its size, represents the culmination of years of apple breeding and the tireless efforts of horticulturalists. Its record-breaking dimensions inspire awe and admiration among apple enthusiasts and growers alike. Moreover, this variety's ability to produce such massive fruits demonstrates the incredible diversity and adaptability found in the natural world. The Hokuto apple serves as a symbol of the immense possibilities that lie within the realm of fruit cultivation. It stands as a testament to the determination of growers to push the boundaries and achieve remarkable results. With every bite of a Hokuto apple, we savor not only its delicious flavor, but also the incredible feats of nature and the human passion for growing extraordinary produce.